Life is about human connection. Our strongest bonds are with family, but you can't always be there with them. And calling doesn't give you that same feeling. There are a lot of things you enjoy doing together that you can't do through a call. So we made Omni, the robot that makes these things possible, even if you live miles away. Omni isn't like a phone call or ordinary video chat. You're there, in the robot. You have the control to move and look around. And this frees up the other side from having to stop and answer a call. You can just join in no matter what they're doing. No more phone tag or scheduling a call like a meeting. Our testers are using Omni to do awesome stuff like cook together, hang out for a barbecue, or even watch a whole movie together. It's the stuff they'd never do with Skype or FaceTime because it's just way too cumbersome. And the coolest part is that none of this was planned ahead of time. As soon as they got the bot, these experiences just happened naturally.
We wanted to make a home robot that's not just a toy, but something built to last and be truly useful week after week. Our design philosophy has two main parts, and the first is to maximize the human connection. So Omni is made to be human height to give you that most natural view of the world. And people on the other side can look straight at you and talk to you just like normal. We really wanted to enhance presence, that feeling that someone's there with you. So we designed Omni with a moving neck and a seamless control interface we call Motion Map. The neck may seem subtle, but we found it really makes the experience a lot more engaging, a lot more human. So the second part of our design philosophy is to minimize all hassle, because nothing should get in the way of the Omni experience. Setup is simple. Unfold, connect to Wi-Fi, then call in with just one click, and there's no software to install. We also made Omni super quiet so you can hang out for a long time without bugging anyone. And if you need to move it around, it's light. You can take it upstairs, move it out in the patio, or fold it up into your car. You don't have to worry about keeping it charged. When you're finished, press one button to auto dock. Omni is different, right down to its materials and how we make it. We source sustainable bamboo, and we use satin anodized aluminum. Another cool thing is that we use additive manufacturing to build Omni in a scalable and efficient way. We're doing it all in-house to keep it lean, and that means less risk. We've already been shipping Omni to test users around the world for over a year.
We're also backers like you, tired of campaigns overpromising and under-delivering. So that's why we waited to launch our campaign until now, after 2 years and 9 generations of prototypes. We're super passionate about bringing families closer, and with your support, we can bring the Omni experience to everyone. Join our campaign and enjoy Omni with your own family.
My name's DJ Bronner, and I'm one of the founders of FreeCast.
We have created a wireless live streaming system available for all creators. I also own a production company called Anthem Films, and I've worked in nearly every role in film production. Wireless video and live streaming is a tool all filmmakers can use to benefit their productions.
My name's Clayton Blaha. I'm a co-founder of FreeCast. I've also been skateboarding my entire life, and I co-founded the record label Ausla. I'm always looking for opportunities to help take content creation to the next level.
Being a filmmaker, you have a lot of moments where you realize how lucky you are. I've traveled the world and have worked with amazing artists like Selena Gomez, Lindsey Sterling, and A$AP Rocky.
A few years ago, we started asking, is there a better way to share this experience? What if we could live stream from any camera? How would that change film production?
We decided to create an affordable solution that could change content creation forever. During our beta test phase, FreeCast has already changed the way we think about wireless video and live streaming. We have 3 FreeCast models: Standard, Pro, and Universal. Standard and Pro kits work with GoPro cameras, and our Universal kit works with any camera with HDMI out. You can also live stream from any DSLR or HDMI camera to your social network. The FreeCast app lets you watch live, record footage, and live stream in real time. You can view your footage on any iOS device as well as any monitor with HDMI in. You can also view your footage up to 500 meters away from your camera.
We've been using FreeCast in 3 basic ways.
To cast to your iOS device, to cast to production monitors, and of course, to cast to your social network. It's lightweight, and we designed it to deliver professional quality video at a price that even the smallest budget productions can afford. We are ready to manufacture, and we want your help bringing FreeCast to life, so you can cast your world more freely.
It's the little things, interruptions that steal our time or focus. Maybe it's just a small part or tool, but we search frantically for a solution to make it right. Well, now there's Ingo. Ingo is a handy pocket-sized bar made of moldable, non-toxic polymer that when heated can be molded into practically any shape. 3 minutes in hot water to make Ingo pliable. 2, you'll have 2 minutes to mold it into whatever shape you need. Just let it cool down to room temperature, which only takes around 5 to 10 minutes, then it's completely cured and ready to work. And Ingo is reusable. With hot water or even a hairdryer, you can reheat the part as many times as you like to modify or create whatever shape you need. Ingo is strong enough to be used to fix and modify the world around you. And it's easy as 3, 2, and done. Ingo comes in 5 colors, but what's cool is that you can mix these colors to produce 9 additional harmonious colors. Just follow the color mixing instructions on the chart provided in each box. For example, take a pip of red and a pip of yellow, mix them, and you get an orange-colored Ingo. Recently, we gave out samples of Ingo to try, and even we're surprised at the variety of ideas where Ingo has made people's lives easier.
I accidentally broke my kitchen spatula. I love to cook. I'm always in the kitchen. And when that broke, I thought I might need to buy a new one, but then I got out Ingo and I put it on the spatula and it's just like new.
I use it. I actually have this thing that I use, to do my eyebrow makeup. And I use a pencil sharpener so it gets really short to where I can hardly get it to do it. So what I did is I used Ingo to just make it longer, to extend it, kind of make like a handle for it.
Ingo really helped me fix a kitchen door hinge, which my wife complained about.
Luckily, I had an Ingo card in my bag, and I fixed the broken pieces for her. She was amazed.
Now, we'd love to be able to offer the benefits of Ingo to a lot more people, but in order to do that, we need additional capital in order to produce Ingo for a larger market. That's where you come in. To help us fix the little things, your support will make Ingo a big thing. Make your contribution today.
Here's the thing about water.
Water doesn't care if you're young or old.
If you're rich or if you're poor.
Fat
or skinny.
If you have wrinkles.
If you win a Grammy. Water doesn't care if you're popular.
If you spill it.
Or how many Instagram followers you have.
Water doesn't care if you make your bed.
And those voices in your head that are always saying,
I'm too old.
I'm a loser.
I'm not good enough.
What am I doing? Water doesn't hear those voices.
And wouldn't care if it could.
To water, you are perfect.
Exactly the way you are.
You're actually made up of 70% water.
Whether you think yourself as worthy or not.
Water accepts you.
And so do we. And we're here to make your water a little more pure, with a more sustainable filter to sustain you, so you can continue on your journey of realizing you're perfect.
You're perfect.
You're perfect, just the way you are, dude.
For the last year, our team at Heyo has been developing a new technology that once only existed in science fiction. Today, we invited our friends to experience the magic behind using Heyo for the first time.
All right, well, let's talk about what we're doing here today. What if I told you guys that you could control your home and bring to life the space around you with no screens, no physical remotes, and no yelling across the room? Just this.
Whoa.
Whoa. Seriously?
How did you do that?
You're like a genie.
Did that just turn on?
Yeah, yes it did.
Whoa.
Meet Heyo. It transforms the space and objects around you into a set of magical remote controls. With just a simple movement of your hand, Heyo allows you to control lights, music, television, temperature, and much more. Setup is quite simple. Place Heyo in the space of your choice, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and then Heyo will automatically 3D scan your space. Once scanning is complete, using Heyo's augmented reality app, you can create a virtual button on an object or even in thin air to control any of your favorite devices. And that's it. Wherever you live, Heyo connects the space around you with you, whenever you want, for whatever you need. How would you feel about some music right now?
Yeah. That'd be awesome.
Huh?
We love music.
Okay. Try it out.
Seeing people discover the magic behind Heyo is an incredible feeling. But this is just the beginning.
We are integrating new features, and over time, Heyo will grow smarter. We need your help to go through the manufacturing process.
We want to improve Heyo, and we want to bring it to your home.
Please, join us.
Thanks.